Hello everyone. Welcome to this short lesson on proof writing in mathematics. In this video, we will explore proof by contrapositive, a powerful strategy used when a direct proof becomes difficult. In mathematics, there are times when proving a statement directly can be challenging. This is where proof by contrapositive becomes useful. The idea is simple. Instead of proving the statement in its original form, we flip the implication into an equivalent statement that is often easier to prove. When direct proof feels like pushing against a wall, we often turn to the contrapositive. The key idea is that an implication, if P then Q, is logically equivalent to its contrapositive. If not Q, then not P. This equivalence allows us to flip the logical direction without changing the truth of the statement. Why do we flip? Because working forward from P can sometimes stall, especially when Q is complex or abstract. By starting instead from the negation of Q, we often transform an intractable problem into one that is far more manageable. The payoff is clarity. Proving not Q implies not P can be simpler, yet it guarantees the truth of P implies Q. This strategy is not just a trick. It's a fundamental tool in proof writing, sharpening our ability to navigate logical structures with precision. Let's apply the contrapositive strategy to a concrete example. Our claim is, if 3k plus 1 is even, then k is odd. At first glance, proving this directly seems messy. We'd have to wrestle with the arithmetic of even integers. Instead, let's flip the logic. The contrapositive of our claim is, if k is even, then 3k plus 1 is odd. This is much easier to handle. Suppose k is equal to 2m, an even integer. Then 3k plus 1 equals 3 times 2m, plus 1 is equal to 6m plus 1. Notice that 6m is always even, so adding 1 makes the entire expression odd. That's a clean conclusion. By proving the contrapositive, we've established the original claim without unnecessary struggle. This illustrates the power of contraposition. It transforms a potentially intractable direct proof into a straightforward argument. Our next claim is, if n squared is even, then n is even. At first, proving this directly can feel cumbersome, because squaring introduces extra terms that complicate the arithmetic. Instead, let's use the contrapositive. The equivalent statement is, if n is odd, then n squared is odd. Suppose n is equal to 2k plus 1, which is the general form of an odd integer. Then, n squared is equal to 2k plus 1 squared, which when expanded gives us 4k squared plus 4k plus 1. Factoring the first two terms gives us 2 times the quantity 2k squared plus 2k plus 1. This expression is clearly odd, since it is 2 times an integer plus 1. By proving the contrapositive, we've confirmed the original claim. If n squared is even, then n must be even. This result is more than just an exercise in parity. It serves as a foundational lemma in the classic proof that the square root of 2 is irrational, which is one of the most celebrated contradiction arguments in mathematics. Now that we've seen contrapositive proofs in action, let's focus on mastering the technique. The first step is precision. Always define the negation of the conclusion clearly before beginning any derivation. Ambiguity in not Q leads to confusion, so clarity here is essential. Second, signal the pivot. Explicitly state, we prove the contrapositive by assuming not Q. This not only guides your own reasoning, but also communicates the logical structure. Finally, avoid the converse trap. Remember, the contrapositive of P implies Q is not Q implies not P, not Q implies P. The converse may look similar, but it is not logically equivalent. The contrapositive, however, is the logical twin of the original statement. which is an exact equivalence, not a workaround. By practicing these steps, you ensure that your proofs are not only correct, but also rigorous and transparent. Thank you for joining me in exploring the art of mathematical proof. If you found this lecture helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights in mathematics and logic.